Montana won a big victory today at the U.S. Supreme Court in a long-running case on campaign contributions. The High Court essentially let Montana's limits stand. MTN's Mike Dennison explains and tells us what comes next.
Almost 8 years ago, several businesses and Republican Party groups sued the state, alleging Montana's legal limits on how much money you can give to a state office candidate are an unconstitutional restriction on free speech. A federal judge in Helena initially struck down the limits, but the Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals overturned that ruling in 2017. On Monday, the U.S. Supreme Court, without comment, declined to accept an appeal of that decision, which means Montana's contribution limits will stand. One of the state attorneys who worked on the case says it was a big relief and a victory for Montana's citizens who don't want big money donors to dominate certain races.
Montanans have a long history of believing in that and fighting for it. And I mean, this is a citizen initiative that was put back in 1994.
Opponents of the limits argue that they're so low, they encourage political players to attempt to spend more money in other ways that's harder to track. Under Montana's current limits, a single PAC or individual can give a gubernatorial candidate no more than $1,360. The donation limits are lower for other statewide candidates and the legislature. McNaughton says the relatively low limits make Montana's political system unique, essentially requiring candidates to get a broader field of donors when running for office.
Instead of having higher contribution limits, which allow you to get money from fewer individuals, Montanans have said, we want you to go out, shake our hands, come talk to us, and raise your money directly from us, and hear from us what our issues are, so that when you show up at the legislature, you know what we're about.
Governor Steve Bullock's office also said that Montanans want transparency and limits instead of big money in campaigns, and that Monday's decision means some of those protections are here to stay. This case is finally over, but Montana's campaign finance regulations are not out of the legal woods yet. The U.S. Supreme Court is also deciding whether to accept a separate case challenging our 2015 campaign disclosure law. Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
Thanks, Mike. Now, the disclosure law attempts to require so-called dark money groups to report their donors and spending in Montana races.